up to?
I'm on when there's new touchscreen TV. Look.
Oh wow, that's fantastic.
It's pretty good. You can have a quick go if you want. Follow.
Good, you sure?
Yeah. You won't break it.
Oh, that's brilliant.
But there's other stuff you can do. I got a globe. Between London. Just zoom in by doing this.
My goodness.
Is there anywhere where you'd like to look at?
Hey look, let's look at Buckingham Palace, see if we can see the Queen's flag is flying.
If you spin it around like that.
That's making me feel unwell.
There you go, like that.
Oh, right, okay. No flag up, maybe she's not in today. That's fantastic.
Look.
Oh, can I, hang on.
You can close it like that, zoom out like doing that.
Oh wow, that make my eyes go.
They've also changed New York to make it sort of 3D. So if I go in New York, look, you see all the buildings are 3D.
That's fantastic.
But if I press this button here, it'll sort of give me a parallel view of it.
Empire State Building.
Yeah, look, there it is. You can see it all loading up as we move along.
Crikey.
And you know you're zooming in and out like this. You can do that on the picture. Microsoft will, if I just plug this in. Should load. There you go.
Yep.
So if I click on this, it will load all the pictures on the drive, and then we can zoom in and out doing this.
Let's see how good it is or bad it is.
All
Wow.
the detailed
I remember
pictures.
doing this. Can you just pick one up?
Yeah, just pick it up and flick it in the screen.
Oh.
And then pull it down a bit. So if we minimise this one, and then we just throw it in the box, and then we get put away.
That's just marvellous. Hey. I recognise this face.
I'll put that one away. See what other shots we've got. What's this one?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Really big. Oh. We zoom in quite a bit.
I mean, you get the detail even of the little teddy, don't you?
Yeah. Good shot.
Yeah, I think I did it.
Yeah, so you can do you can do this with any picture you want. Or you can just put it away when you don't need it.
So you put a whole load of, you obviously put loads and loads up.
Yeah, you put loads and loads up. And there's also a game, sort of a touchscreen game that you can play. It's quite hard.
That won't be for me then, but let's have a look what you do.
So basically you've got to get the balls to touch the